In this video, I will show you how you can fix the unable to load issue on any iPhone. Now, if you're trying to play a video on your iPhone, but if it keeps showing you the unable to load error, now to fix this issue, first of all, just open the control center on your iPhone, then go to the connection section. Now just make sure that your iPhone is connected to the internet, and after that, just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it off. Now by doing this, you will do a quick network refresh. Just play a video from the Photos app and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Photos app, then tap on it. Now, if iCloud Photos has been enabled on your iPhone, just select Download and Keep Originals. After that, just scroll down and look for the option for cellular data. Now, if cellular data is disabled, and if your iPhone is out of the reach of the Wi-Fi network, and if you're trying to play a video which is saved on your iCloud, you will face the unable to load error. So make sure you give the Photos app the access to use the cellular data. After that, just enable unlimited updates. Then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back, and the main settings page, just tap on your Apple ID. Now over here, a pop-up will appear asking you to accept the new terms and conditions for the iCloud. Now if that happens, just select Accept. Now it might take a couple of seconds. Now if it does not show you this notification, just tap on Sign In and Security, or just tap on iCloud, and it will show you this notification. And after you accept the terms and conditions, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now in most cases, a simple restart fixes this issue. But if your issue is still not fixed, then just open the Photos app and select the video which you want to play. For an example, I will select this video, and after that just tap on the three dots over here and select Duplicate. Now just wait for a couple of seconds and let the duplicate to download, and you'll notice that you have created a duplicate of the video which you want to play. Now just tap on the duplicate or just tap on the original, and you will notice that your issue has been fixed. But if your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on General. From here, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just tap on Update and update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. And this is how you can fix the unable to load error on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.